Good evening and good morning, everyone. I'm going to cook organic chicken or native chicken spicy with coconut milk and also with chili leaves. We call halang-halang chicken soup. So it's very delicious and normally we cook in our province all the time. You have to try, guys. So yummy. These are the ingredients: chili leaves and chicken. First, you have to make hot the pan or pot. You have to add 2 tablespoons of oil and also stir fry of 1/2 chopped or sliced onion. So when the onion is half cooked, then you have to add 4 cloves of garlic. I just mash only, as you can see there. And also you have to stir it. When the garlic and onion is half cooked, then you have to add the chicken slice, which we call Bisaya or organic chicken. So before that, guys, I put that salt and black pepper to leave like maybe 1 hour, and then you have to stir it and then leave the chicken with the onions and garlic to stir it and simmer until the blood is gone and also the water is gone. So this kind of recipe, guys, normally we cook this in our village in country in Philippines. And then you have 2 tablespoons add with chicken powder seasoning, and then lemongrass. Lemongrass, I got that from my harvest from my garden. It's very fresh. And then you have to simmer it together again. And I always stir it so the flavor it's goes through all the meat or chicken. So normally, guys, we eat this with rice. So the blood is gone now, and then you have to simmer it. The reason we simmer it so the smell or something langsa, we call langsa, it's gone. And then after that, guys, you have to fill up with the water until the level to almost the pot. And then you have to boil 1 hour, because the chicken, organic chicken or native chicken, it's very hard. It's very long time to boil. But if you have your cooker, you can boil that 30 minutes or 25 minutes, And then I keep adding this until fill up that pot with the water. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel, and to all my co-YouTuber. And then as you can see, I add like beef stock powder. It's like a magic syrup, or instead like MSG, I put beef stocks. We call beef stock. So it's good for the soup. So I boiled that meat, and then we have to add like half of the coconut milk. I use the coconut milk in the can. I bought this in Walmart. And then you need to try it, making sure. But if you want really spicy, then you can add chili. But man, I want like mild also. So it's very delicious, guys. It's good for lunch and dinner. You have to try. I thank you to all my co-YouTuber, subscriber, and silent viewers, and to all my friends. Thank you so much to always visiting my channel. So as you can see guys, I add some more coconut milk, but normally I use 1 can only for total all in this recipe. And then I add the bell pepper, just 1/4 bell pepper, the big bell pepper. If you have no bell pepper, you can add like chili, green chili. So it's very good guys. And then as you can see, I add also 1 tablespoon of sugar and black pepper. Now I add the chili leaves, which I harvest in my garden. It's very fresh. So guys, it's very yummy and smell good. And you can add, if you have no lemongrass, you can add also ginger if you want to. So thank you so much for watching, and leave comment, share, and God bless. And the rest of the milk I add more, so the soup is almost ready, so I add more the coconut. I finish to put the coconut milk. So thank you so much. And I add the salt. Maybe salt is, I soak with the chicken, the salt, maybe 1 tablespoon of salt, plus the beef stock. And this is the chili. I put 2 pieces, but I just tear up the one. If you want really spicy, you can add more, but I don't want. I just like a little bit spicy only. So thank you so much, and thank you mga idol. Thank you for visiting my channel all the time, and don't please leave comment. So next time, if I see your comments, and then I will get back to you as soon as I can. And never give up, you know. Good luck to all co-YouTuber. Never give up and upload the video, and be patient, and good luck to all of us. Thank you for always support and visiting my channel. Be safe and God bless. Now the food is ready to serve. So normally we eat this with rice, any kind of rice, and then it's very good. But if you have issues like heartburn or other reflux, you better don't eat spicy, you know. So thank you. And normally the chicken raised from the farm is really good than 45 days. And you want to try guys. This is a Philippine recipe. So thank you so much. And good luck. And God bless. Subscribe. Bye.